Coffee festival in Vrhnika. A total disappointment? Let me remind you, I've never had a paid post on my account. All my reviews are honest, including this one. And this is just my opinion. Yours might be different. There was so much advertising and talk about this coffee festival that I really expected a true celebration of coffee. But that's not what happened. Let's start with something positive. The organizers did a good job coming up with the idea of such an event. But that's about it. The venue was way too small for the amount of promotion that had been done. There were almost no places to sit, and forget about finding any shade. Then, about the coffee companies themselves. If you're selling your own coffee beans, how hard is it to offer guests a free taste? My visit began with Karamba. Bought a pack of beans and the girls kindly offered me a cup of their coffee for free. Great start. But just a few booths later, other companies selling beans or ground coffee charged at least $1.50 for a paper cup if you wanted to actually taste their product. To me, that felt disrespectful. On the other hand, I want to highlight Coffee Time. Yes, they were selling coffee, but they also explained their product during the brewing process. It was real coffee preparation, not just pushing buttons on a machine. And the presentation was thoughtful, served in a proper ceramic cup. Maybe my feedback will help the organizers pay attention to these issues. I honestly hope the next events will only get better.